Since Shiba Inu entered into the crypto market, it had a really interesting relationship with Vitalik Buterin, founder of Ethereum, and Elon Musk, owner of Tesla and Twitter. And it looks like both VB and Musk's interest in the token has been going really strong, and they might even be quite bullish about SHIB. I'm sure that you want to find out more about this, so make sure to keep watching this video. Disclaimer. During the recent Latin American Bitcoin and Blockchain Conference, VB made a number of comments about Shiba Inu that evoked a range of reactions within the community. To start with, he was asked what he thought about Crypto.com having 20% of its reserve in SHIB, and while he seemed quite surprised about that information, he went on to say that it was quite impressive. He also mentioned that he was surprised that SHIB had a $6 billion market cap, which some might interpret as Buterin not having faith in the token. But whichever way you choose to interpret it, the truth remains that the fact that Buterin is surprised that SHIB has a $6 billion market at this point proves that it has proven many people, including supposed experts, wrong, and we'll take that. That said, there's something that Buterin said that did not sit well with most of the SHIB community at all. He basically said that he didn't understand the psychology of anyone that would still be holding $10 million worth of SHIB now. Now, this is quite interesting because VB himself makes use of SHIB in a number of his projects. As you must recall, he was given some SHIB tokens as a gift and has revealed a number of times how he invested the tokens in a number of research projects. So, the fact that he's saying he doesn't understand why people would hold SHIB worth millions of dollars sounds off. Anyway, the Shiba Inu community was not excited about VB saying this, and SHIB influencer Lucy even took to Twitter to express her disappointment. She wrote, "Dear Vitalik Buterin, with all due respect, you are exactly the guy who will prioritize Luna and FTT over SHIB. See how it turned out. SHIB holds people who believe in people, not individuals, which turns out to be wrong and wrong. SHIB is here to stay." However, while some SHIB army have been vehement about their disagreement with what VB said, there are others that have been worried as a result. That said, I should mention at this point that it is important to bear in mind that VB's predictions are not exactly set in stone. So, it's important to not base your financial decisions on his sentiments. Make sure to do your own research before doing anything with your tokens. That said, don't forget that there's still a significant possibility that Musk will add SHIB to the Twitter lineup. There are plans for Twitter to have its own crypto wallet, even though those plans have been temporarily put on hold, and considering that Musk's relationship with SHIB, chances are that SHIB will be a part of that wallet and users will be able to pay for Twitter services using the token. Something else that you want to consider as you try to make your decision is the fact that SHIB knows how to capitalize on the failures of other cryptos, like it just did with Solana. Solana's market cap recently fell by about 6% because major crypto exchanges withdrew their support from USDC and USDT, both of which are tokens on the Solana platform. As a result, Solana is now the 14th largest crypto project by market cap, giving SHIB the opportunity to move up to the 13th place. Also, in spite of VB's misgivings, whales obviously consider SHIB a token worth investing millions of dollars in. According to Whale Stats, the top 5,000 Ethereum whales hold more than $75 million worth of SHIB tokens altogether, and this was as of November 17th. This is already quite impressive, but it is even more impressive when you consider that SHIB is their most held token, and the whales hold about $21 million more SHIB than their second most held token, MKR. SHIB is currently not offering its best performance as it is a bit lower than it was just last week. However, this has not deterred whales as they've not just been holding SHIB, they've also been purchasing more. And some experts have mentioned that an increase in whale buying activity is typically a bullish signal. So it could be that these whales have been purchasing more SHIB in preparation for a bullish run that is about to come. In fact, it's not just whales that have been purchasing more SHIB. Retail investors have also been flocking to the Shiba Inu market in droves, driving the Shiba Inu holder count to an all-time high. Remember that this increase is happening at a time when the Shiba Inu market, and even the wider crypto market, could benefit from a bullish run. So it's really something special that more people are buying SHIB at this time. By the way, if you're also looking to enter the crypto market, consider starting with Fairdesk. Fairdesk is a crypto exchange platform that allows you to purchase, sell, and exchange crypto quickly and seamlessly. And yes, you can use Fairdesk even if you're not a crypto newbie. The platform offers a variety of crypto options and a 4% bonus on your first transaction. So go check them out. Now back to talking about new Shiba Inu holders. Just a couple of days back, there were about 1.25 million holders of SHIB, but as the time of recording this video, there are about 1.27 million SHIB holders and counting. And it's very possible that the holder count will cross the 1.3 million threshold. This would be even more of a possibility if SHIBAINU finally enters into its beta test phase, as has been hinted at for a while now, before the end of the year. Unfortunately, SHIB burns have not been as consistent as the community would have preferred. Now, this is not to say that things have been completely bad, but that they have been fluctuating. Sometimes we see the rate of SHIB burns basically skyrocketing, and at other times we see the rate of SHIB burns drop drastically. SHIB burn rates need to stabilize at a really high level for the SHIB market to stand a better chance at surviving this crypto market crisis. Meanwhile, SHIB is gearing up for a massive market rally. For one, the dev team, together with the Third Floor, the studio that is developing the Shiba Inu Metaverse, has been shaping up said metaverse for the past couple of months. Just recently, they unveiled a new concept artwork called the Tech Trench, which is supposed to give the community an idea of what the metaverse will look like. Crypto News Flash writes that, in a blog post on Wednesday, the team noted that the idea of the Tech Trench Hub was to create an immersive experience showcasing the different stages of development for certain technologies from ancient times to the current hyper-technological world. Further, the hub, which was created in partnership with leading visualization studio The Third Floor, TTF, will help preserve and showcase cultural learning experiences for all those who enter and shape the future of decentralized ecosystems and education foundations. The hub is represented in black and white with architectural designs from different places around the world, including the US, Japan, and Switzerland. And when the metaverse is finished, it should paint an incredible picture of Shiba Inu's history and community and also show the chart for the future. But that's not the only update that has happened in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Just recently, PawZone, a member of the Shiba Inu community, announced that it would be paying more attention to Pawzar, the NFT marketplace that was created for the Shibarium network. Apparently, a lot of progress has been made, which means that a reveal should be happening quite soon. Interestingly, it was recently revealed that Shiba Inu's NFT ecosystem grew over the past week. That is, both the total amount of NFT trade count and the total NFT trade volume in USD spiked significantly over the last 7 days. This could be a sign that the stage is being set for the launch of Shibarium. We'll just have to wait and see, I guess. Speaking of Shibarium, Shytoshi actually gave an update just recently. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 SHIB. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. #ShibaInu. Good luck. Here's what Shytoshi wrote on Twitter concerning Shibarium. Initial design approved. Now I can double down. Let the debris show itself as the flow of kindness and truth washes over the world. I mentioned earlier that Shibarium might enter beta testing before the end of the year, and it's looking even more possible now. Finally, in light of all the recent crashes that have been happening in the world of crypto, you might be panicking about the whole idea of cryptocurrencies. But you need to remember that the problem is fraud, not crypto. And this is a position that was just recently defended by Alicia Haas, the CFO of Coinbase, during an interview with the Wall Street Journal. She mentioned that crypto's endgame is decentralization, but centralized exchanges are needed to take it there. The problem, though, is not exactly with the existence of centralized exchanges, but with the failure of a number of them to be transparent, because secrecy could either be fertile ground or a cover for fraud. Her position is that these centralized exchanges need to be regulated in some way to prevent these issues. But what do you think? With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.